Hey guys, so today's video is going to be an intro to IXL and the IXL expectations for this classwork. So if I move on to the next slide, the objective is that you're going to be practicing math fluency skills on IXL. And what you need is a notebook or paper, a pencil or a pen. Honestly, I kind of prefer pen because it's darker so I can see your pictures better, and a Chromebook. What you're going to be working on is IXL and then uploading your work here on the slides. So the first really important note that I want to highlight is you must log in to IXL through Clever first. And here's what I mean. Here on the side, you'll see a blue C in your Chromebook. You should see that blue C. You're going to click on that blue C, and it's going to lead you to a list of apps, okay? And so the app that you're going to be clicking is IXL. Now the reason mine is in the top is because I favorited it. It has a heart. But for you guys, it might be in instant login apps, and then you click on IXL. Once you click on IXL, it's going to literally automatically log you in. So it should say right here, welcome, your first and your last name, and then you've automatically signed in and you're good to go. Okay, so that's the first step. The second is to understand what is a SMART score, and you are going to be needing a SMART score of at least 60 to get a point for today's lesson. Okay, so here's what I mean. On the next page, there's a video to help you if you need to simplify fractions. Today you're going to be simplifying fractions for IXL. So once you finish the video, taking down your notes if you need it, you're going to go on this page. So this page has the scale. So what you're going to do is you need to click on that scale right here. And it's going to lead you to the scale that I want you to practice on. And so you're going to be practicing this. Now, what I also want you to realize is when we talk about simplifying fractions, looking at these two pictures that I have, it says click here for a factor sheet list to help you if you need it with simplifying. So if you need help finding the factors of numbers, literally this is a list that gives you all of the factors if you need it. So you should be looking at this right here, like this column, and it will help you finding the greatest common factor. So if I look at like 2 and 4, I could already see that the greatest common factor between them is 2. So this is if you need it when you simplify fractions. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is practicing simplifying fractions, and you're going to keep going, and you're going to be showing your work on the side here. So every time that you practice something, you're going to have a SMART score here of whatever your score is. Sorry, I can't talk. But you need a score of at least 60. At least, right? If you want to keep practicing, please do. But this is like if you're really struggling, I want you to have a score of at least 60. And so once you get 60, you could be done if you want. Okay? So here, if I'm doing this, and let's say I got the answer wrong, it's really important to read what they tell you. They're going to explain how you could get the problem right, what is it that you got wrong, so that's really important. Once you have a SMART score of at least 60, I'm going to put 60 right here. You're going to write whatever your SMART score is. You need to upload a picture of your work, okay? So each problem you should be showing work to, and remember this is insert image, and then click camera, and I already have a picture of my work here. And then what I want you to do is make it look super close. Okay, so insert, and then a picture of my work is here. Now you guys might have a lot of work to show, right? So this is like one picture. If you need it, I will be providing extra slides just in case you need more slides to show your work in. Okay, so the most important things is that you've logged into Clever before clicking on any IXL link, before practicing anything. And then after you've logged into IXL, make sure that you have a SMART score of at least 60 and you are showing your work through each problem, just like how I did over here. If you have any other questions, feel free to call me, and good luck.